Hey guys, what's up? Hi Janvi, so glad to meet you. Hi, I got your wave. Hi Kamna, hi Guddu, what's up? Oh, is that me? Yeah, like this. I have a habit of doing that, yeah. सॉरी गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 10 मिनट लेट इसलिए करना पड़ा क्योंकि थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल इशू था और मेरे यहाँ हाय हाय शावर भाई, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? आई नो यू आर एट द बेस्ट प्लेस राइट नाउ एंड जीविता, फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, मैं आज अपने बेडरूम में बैठी हूँ तो नेटवर्क की इशू नहीं आएगी. Hey guys, first of all, yes, people who are from Armenia, I really want to say that please be very, very careful, extra careful, and thank you, Jivi. I hope you can see yourself also in it, Jivo. Okay, let's come to the point. So, Armenia में भी because of COVID-19, lot of people are getting affected, and I know somebody who's known to me, name is Mariam. She's not well and I just got the news that she's extremely unwell. I'll definitely get in touch with her and I'll talk to her, but more than that, I just want to say that please guys, don't take your life for granted. Take care of yourself, stay home. There are a lot of productive things you can do sitting home. आप बहुत सारे चीज़ों को लेके अपने ऊपर और अपने इससे रिलेटेड चीज़ों को भी आप संभाल सकते हो. So why to take chance and go out and do things. And the utmost important thing, आज का जो हमारा द आदि शो है, उससे पहले हमने जो लाइव किया था जोबिन के साथ, which didn't work because honestly speaking वो he is in mountain area, वो देहरादून है और देहरादून से नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से उनके काफ़ी जो कॉन्सर्ट थे उनमें भी बहुत दिक्कत आ रही थी. तो मुझे भी नहीं सही लगा कि उन्हें इस बात को लेके तकलीफ दूँ, बट उन्होंने ये चीज़ ज़रूर कही है कि जब भी वो बेटर नेटवर्क एरिया में आएंगे ही विल डेफिनेटली कम एंड टॉक टू यू ऑल. एंड द ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्स ही गॉट, जो लास्ट टाइम जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला था, उनको इतना प्यार मिला था, विच डेफिनेटली आई हैव शेयर्ड अ लिटिल बिट. एंड today's episode is very, very important for me because my very own close friend, very, very close friend, Ankita Lokhande, is going to come live with me for the Adi show. Yes, I've told you guys that कि मैं अपने friends को definitely नहीं ला पाऊंगी करके, because मैं कहीं ना कहीं सोच रही थी कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स है, कोई ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हो गए या तो कुछ, बट आई थिंक आई नो दैट शी इज अ बिंदास गर्ल एंड वन सॉलिड वुमन आई नो फ्रॉम माई गैंग, एंड आई एम रियली रियली ग्लैड टू इन्वाइट हर ऑन द आदि शो. एंड यस, उनकी जर्नी बहुत आसान नहीं थी. डेफिनेटली शी हैज़ ऑल्सो गॉन थ्रू लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट टाइम बिकॉज जब हम टेलीविजन का हिस्सा थे तब हमें डे नाइट काम करना पड़ता था. आज वो फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी का हिस्सा है. स्टिल शी हैज टू एक्सेप्ट लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इन हर लाइफ एंड इन द वे शी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर सेल्फ. मुझे क्या लगता है कि मैं इतनी बातें कर रही, उससे अच्छा तो मैं क्यों ना उन्हें लाइव बुला ही लेती हूँ. एंड how does she feel being such a big star, superstar, I must say. And oh no, देखो कौन आया. Hi. Finally, I know why she's laughing, but you behave yourself. There you make fun of it.
आज मैं रश्मि के शो पर आई हूँ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता था. I will behave properly. But I'm so happy to be here, Rashmi, and thank you so much for having me. I'm always there for you, and you know what you mean to me, and thank you for having me.
I know.
And to all the fans,
I know, and I'm
बहुत सारे request थी कि अंकिता और रश्मि को साथ में लेके आओ, अंकिता रश्मि को साथ में लेके आओ. Like people are requesting you and to me also कि why don't you come to Rashmi's show? I was like वो मुझे नहीं invite कर रही है, so मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ उसके लिए? But finally she invited me and I'm here.
I had a special thing to मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही थी, but then I thought I think ये तो बनता है because the kind of
ये तो बनता है यार.
it is a star now, so yes, I have to ask a lot of questions about that. And
but you're looking pretty rash. I'm seeing you after a long time and looking beautiful.
thank Thank you, Anku. I love you.
So
अच्छा
tell me,
अंकुर,
what do you want to
एक
ask?
बात, हाँ एक बात बता, how excited are you coming on the show
I'm
live
super
with
excited.
me?
I think this is the first ever time that मेरी कोई friend मेरा interview ले रही है, dude. Like you are interviewing me, and I'm so happy that you're doing something very good for yourself, Rashmi. Like it feels good that you know तो भले हम लोग quarantine है and we are at home, but you keep on doing something to motivate people, to inspire people, and you inspire all of us. And that is really a good thing. I'm not somebody. I'm very lazy. You know me. I will
You're
never do
very,
something
very
else.
close, and people, I really want to tell you guys that I have less, मेरे बहुत कम दोस्त हैं, लेकिन वो मेरे अपने हैं और बहुत खुश है. So Ankita and me, we know each other since 10 to 11 years, and I genuinely have no idea. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि हम डे टू डे रूटीन में नहीं मिल पाते हैं, बट वी कनेक्ट.
Yes.
एक बॉन्ड है हमारे बीच का, which is like really we can't name it. It's
बिल्कुल
so
बिल्कुल
strong.
बिल्कुल
So yes, I'm
बिल्कुल.
really lucky that I have
I think
you.
when we were Big Boss House, I think Big Boss House में जब तू गई थी मुझे याद है, you came to my place, you remember, तू आई थी रात को और तूने मुझे बताया था कि मैं Big Boss House जा रही हूँ. तुझसे ज्यादा आई थिंक मैं नर्वस थी, मतलब पता नहीं रश्मि क्या करी, is she good, like is she going to be fine over there? मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी और जब तेरे को वहां रोते हुए देखता था यार बहुत बुरा लगता था यार, because we have seen each other in bad times also and in good times also, and जब आपकी कोई दोस्त ऐसी किसी सिचुएशन में जहां पर यू कांट गो एंड हग हर, वो मुझे बहुत कमजोर करता था. बट आई थिंक यू हैव played strongly, and Rashmi, wherever you are today, we all feel very proud of you.
Thank you, Anku. Thank you so much. But I'm going to ask
Thank
you
you,
a
Rashmi.
question.
Thank you very
So
much.
my wish list, I really want to ask you because we both are actors, and I'm being very honest. You are doing so good. You are doing so good for yourself, and even in your career, even in your personal life. Well, I'm not going to talk about much about your personal life, but about the journey you had. इतने सालों से I have seen you doing so many struggles, and still when you come in front of the camera, you come across as a very happy, chirpy, bubbly girl. And there's one quality about you, and सब ये बात admit भी करता है, that you're very muffled. You're on stage, and
That's
you
me,
were,
baby. That's my
yes,
Rashmi show,
and
and I can
basically,
misbehave. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't care.
you were the first girl in our fraternity. I'm being very honest, जो बिना सोचे और बिना तोलमोल किए ना अपने मन की बात मुंह पे बोलती है. And I agree
आई
with
थिंक
that.
रश्मि ऐसा होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी हूँ. दिस इज माई क्वालिटी, आई गेस. हर इंसान की एक अपनी क्वालिटी होती है. आई थिंक यू हैव योर डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज. यू मेक पीपल, यू गिव दैट ऑलवेज वार्मथ, यू ट्राई एंड मेक पीपल कंफर्टेबल ऑल द टाइम. दैट्स योर क्वालिटी. My quality is something, I'm very open, I'm very upfront to the people. When I talk to people, I'm like this. I want to tell people what is right and what is wrong. People maybe sometimes they misunderstood me, and maybe sometimes
Lot of
they're
time I
happy
have
with
seen.
my, they very okay with it कि यार जैसी भी है बंदी मुंह पर बोलकर छुटकारा है. And I think we
Yes,
connect on that level only, Rashmi, because you're not somebody you go out and talk to people. No, you don't. You are very into yourself. You don't. But with me, I have seen you, like, you open up with me, you talk to me. Why? Because I will never guide you in a wrong way. I will always tell you what is right and what is wrong for you. I will be on your face. So I think वो क्वालिटी होना, सबकी अलग अलग क्वालिटीज है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन
but
ऑफ माय
don't
क्वालिटी.
you
दैट्स व्हाट.
sometimes कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि अगर इतना क्लियरली मैं बोल दूंगी तो कोई मुसीबत नहीं, मोड़ना दूं ऐसा करके कुछ?
यार
Or
रश्मि
you
मुझे
tend
कभी
to
फील, पता है मुझे ऐसा
everything
लगता है
whatever comes in
सच
your way?
बोलने में किसी, आई टेल यू, सच बोलने में किस चीज का डर होता है मुझे नहीं पता कि हाउ डू यू डिप्लोमेट, how do you be diplomatic and say things. I really have no idea about this. Like sometimes people say तूने ऐसे
True
कैसे
that.
बोल
I
दिया,
agree.
पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो तो सही था, वो तो सच था ना, मतलब जो मैंने बोला that was a right thing to say. तो I don't know, मतलब पता नहीं माँ बाप ने शायद ऐसे झलकरी बाई टाइप्स मुझे पैदा किया, जो है वो बहुत
ओहो,
दो टाइप्स. So
ओहो,
it's okay.
वो तो तुम हो,
झलकरी बाई, you
पैदा
say
नहीं
in
किया,
your
वो तुम हो.
Ashkelani.
As if I am allowed to share certain experience, I would have shared so many things. But it's so much fun. But at the end of the day, Ankita Lokhande की एक ऐसी quality है which nobody knows, only the close one knows about it. And I think आज वो अपना art दिखाएंगी भी. And yes, I have a question that as an actress,
See, when you did television, you were part of one soap for longer
Yeah.
time. आपके कैरेक्टर को आपको पता है कि कहाँ मोल्ड करना है, but when you're doing film, आप अपनी स्क्रिप्ट कैसे चूज करते हो? आप
See, I
do
don't
you
know
do
about
it
the
by
scripts, Rashmi.
yourself,
I
or there's
always
somebody who guides you, or that you just go with your
no, no.
instinct कि ऐसे करना है, or actors
पता
matter
है
to
क्या
you?
है? If I have to talk about my scripts, usually you know what happens. We belong to TV fraternity, right? हमें देखा जाता है कि हम लोग टीवी के लोग हैं, और जब हम हैं तो they tell you about your character, okay? They give you a very good description
Ankita,
about
you're
your
not in a
character.
good network
But
area.
sometimes, maybe I can see you properly.
I can't see you. You're pixelating. Yeah.
पता नहीं बेबी, मेरे तो वाईफाई चल रहा है.
Now we can see
Hello?
you properly. Yeah,
Can you
now
see
we can see you
Can you see
properly.
me?
Yeah.
Okay. So the thing is, हम टीवी से बिलोंग करते हैं, और हम जब फिल्म मीटिंग के लिए जाते हैं, अब बहुत चेंजेस आए फिल्म और टीवी को लेकर. जो बीच में एक ब्रिज था,
Yes.
आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वो बहुत फिल हो रहा है. पीपल आर accepting TV artists to film fraternity. It's very difficult for all of us, for you also, Rashmi, where you have also done films, you know what it is like,
We face a lot
but
of
बहुत
problems,
मुश्किल
and
होता
a
है
lot
यार
of
लोगों को ये
viewers don't know
समझाना.
about it.
एग्जैक्टली. और इट्स वेरी, पता है, शर्म आती है ये बोलने में कि यार हमें इतना कौन सा एक्सेप्टेंस करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि हम टीवी के लोग हैं. कभी कभी लगता है इट्स वेरी दिस थिंग कि हम ऐसा
No,
लगता है
even I
कि
feel
हम
bad sometimes that you're from TV. We don't want to do. Even when I started my live chat, few people have helped me a lot. Few people encouraged me, but a very few which I knew, and I tried asking them about the show. That at the end of the day, they have that thing in mind that are you to TV say
एग्जैक्टली
and all. But
पर
I feel
मुझे
TV
आई
people are
फील
the
वेरी
more weak.
प्राउड.
They get more they have more approach towards their audience. I see TV people actress कुछ नहीं होता. It's always actor and actress, but they
एग्जैक्टली.
actually capitalized it. But you still made it.
See, that's what I'm saying, रश्मि. बट पहले बहुत डिफिकल्ट था कि हम लोग टीवी से हैं, और अच्छा टीवी से हैं, इतना छोटा दिखा दिया जाता है जैसे हम कुछ रद्दी सा काम कर आ रहे हैं. यार टीवी में जितनी मेहनत है ना लाइफ में, उतनी किसी चीज में मेहनत नहीं है. मैंने, तूने, हम लोगों ने आई हैव वर्क फॉर fucking 148 hours in my life. I've given my blood and my soul to this thing, and I feel proud that I'm from television. Why will I not feel proud? मेरी किस्मत है अगर मुझे कोई अच्छी फिल्म मिलती है तो. मेरी हम सब मेहनत करते हैं. मुझे सिर्फ एक डेफिनेशन पता है फिल्म और टीवी, मुझे नहीं पता. आई जस्ट नो दैट आई एम एन एक्टर. आई हैव टू परफॉर्म, आई हैव टू गिव माय बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट व्हेन आई रीड द स्क्रिप्ट, व्हेन आई गो थ्रू द स्क्रिप्ट, I see what I am playing in it. I see what I am doing in it. I don't want to just be a backup or कहीं पीछे में खड़ी हूँ. I don't want to be like that. I want to give my performance. But अगर मैं चूज कभी कभी रोल ऐसे कर भी लूँ ना रश्मि, जहाँ पर मैं बैकअप में खड़ी हूँ, I know I'm very confident enough about myself कि मैं निकल कर आ जाऊंगी. उस 5 मिनट में भी मैं निकल कर आ सकती हूँ. So that's my confidence. But apart from that, people are, I feel very bad. जो अब पता है, जो टीवी के लोग हैं, मैंने कितने टीवी के लोग देखे हैं रश्मि, they feel very hesitant, like to say कि हम टीवी के हैं. I don't understand. After becoming such big stars also, they are not ready to accept that we belong to TV. No, they're not. I have seen many people like, and I feel very proud to say this. While Manikarnika was my first film, Manikarnika was my first film, and when I started promoting Manikarnika, in each and every interview, Rashmi, I have given this statement that yes, I belong to TV, and whatever I am today, it's all because of TV. I know तेरी मेरी एक्टिंग कई गुना जो बाहर लोग हैं उनसे कई ज्यादा अच्छी होगी, क्योंकि हम टीवी से सीख कर गए. हम 15 पेजेस ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं. हम पढ़ सकते हैं 15 पेजेस बिना देखे रश्मि. वी डोंट नीड अ प्लैंक कि कोई प्लैंक लेके खड़ा और हमें लाइंस पढ़नी है. नो, we can emote without glycerin. We can do whatever we want to do because TV has taught us something like that. We have been working like for कितने घंटे हमने टीवी पर काम किया, कितने साल में टीवी पर काम किया, and we all are proud of it. So I think वो जो एक ब्रिज है, I think it's high time that we should fill that bridge, और वो हमसे ही बनेगा क्योंकि हम टीवी से फिल्म में जा रहे हैं. और अब तो देख सकती है कि फिल्म के लोग टीवी पर आ रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग डिजिटल, दे आर कमिंग अप विद सो मेनी डिजिटल थिंग्स. क्यों अब हम वहां जाने से अच्छा अब लोग यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये ज्यादा अच्छा माध्यम है लोगों के लिए. हम रोज दिखते थे लोगों को घर में, हम रोज कहीं ना कहीं, मैं 9 से 9:30 होती थी पवित्रता पे, एंड
We were part of their family. If we are crying, they cry. If we are happy,
we are still a part of their family, Rashmi.
They see somewhere, कोई part है उनका जो हमें दिखता था, and there is nothing wrong in it.
Exactly.
I feel TV is the best medium to
कल को
start your
कुछ होगा
career.
रश्मि, तो मुझे पता है, मैं जानती हूँ अगर कल को मुझे कुछ होगा तो वो मेरे साथ रोएंगे कि यार इसको क्या हो गया. This is how we have connected to the audience, Rashmi. This is what I feel, and we all are very proud that we are from television, dude. I belong to television. I'm very proud of it.
I'm really happy that we belong from such fraternity that people actually create talent. People have the talent to create one film in 1 week. People have the talent.
I don't want to impress anybody, Rashmi.
And it's not easy. It's very challenging.
I don't want to impress people out there. That it's not wrong.
No, even I agree with you on this.
कि मुझे नहीं,
because even I have some lot of time it has happened. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है, मेरे बहुत आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो जाते हैं when anybody is talking about television, this that. I think
और टीवी के बारे में क्या बोलता है ना, तो मेरी तो जान निकल जाती है. हाँ,
मुझे चुभती है ये बात, मुझे बहुत चुभती है.
रश्मि, आज हमारे पास जो भी है,
experience about it. I said I will definitely fight for it.
Listen ना, आज मेरे पास जो भी है, मेरा घर, मेरी कार, मैं अगर अपने माँ बाप का ख्याल रख सकती हूँ, मैं अपने घर का ख्याल रख सकती हूँ. It's all because of TV. I have not made any money from my film fraternity. I have not done it. Maybe I'll do it in future, but not till today. Whatever I am today, it's all because of Pavitrishta. And I'm very proud to say this. I'm super proud to say this. And people, they don't understand. हम लोग, अब पता है क्या होता है रश्मि, हम तो बोल रहे हैं ये चीज को, लेकिन there are other people, वो क्या करते हैं, फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी वालों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए, दे शो दैट नो वी आर फ्रॉम, नो फिल्म टीवी तो बहुत बकवास था, फिल्म्स आर बेस्ट. I will never do that in my life to impress film. I don't want to impress anyone. I'm an actor. Actor doesn't need to impress. Actor needs to act, and that's what I'll do. That's what I belong to.
But all the television actors should also feel proud of it, and they should enjoy every moment which they are getting, because getting such big recognition, good lifestyle, and good, confidence, and the kind of power within they have today because of TV, they should just accept it.
But
and
they don't.
I am proud of you, Anko. I am proud of you
too, Rashmi.
Not as an actress that you have started from TV, but as a friend, as a human being. I know how supportive you are towards your family and friends, how strong-minded you are when you are yourself going through such a rough patch, and still standing tall and strongly with your friends and family and smiling on the face. Not even other person will not even realize that what problem are you facing, what pain are you going through, what your heart is crying but your face is smiling. I know all that thing. So that is the reason that makes you a wonderful person and amazing actress.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And I will say, guys, हमारी जर्नी बिल्कुल इजी नहीं थी,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. I think मेरी और रश्मि की जर्नी,
ये शॉर्ट है, चलो करने के लिए.
Listen. मेरी
I
और
know there
रश्मि
was a
की
time जब अंकिता को डेंगू हुआ था and she was not allowed to go home, but still मुझे शूट करना पड़ता था, because those were the days when I knew, because I'm very close to her.
Yes,
but not
मुझे डेंगू हुआ था और मुझे याद है, मुझे अर्चना माना,
कोई भी सक्सेस फेलियर से ही जाता है. You have to go through a failure in your lot of problems in life, difficult situation in life, and then you reach to your aim that you have imagined yourself. So I'm being very honest.
तभी तो हमें सक्सेस पता चलता है.
How does it feel now that you're a film actress and having such a difficult journey?
See, I don't know about this film. I'll tell you one thing. See, film actress, I feel good about it, क्योंकि बचपन से मैंने रश्मि सपना देखा था कि मैं हीरोइन बनूं. It's like a dream. It's a dream of yours also. I know that. हम सब एक सपना लेकर, हम लोग वो नहीं रश्मि कि हमने अभी सोचा है और हमने बन गए. हमारा बचपन से यही ड्रीम रहा है, तेरा और मेरा, जितना मैं जानती हूँ हम दोनों को. हम कभी कोई डॉक्टर या हम कुछ और नहीं बनने वाले थे कि हम चल अच्छा आ गया मौका तो कर लेते. No, we dreamt about this and we wanted to become this. We always wanted to go for this. And when you see yourself on that big screen, no Rashmi, it's an amazing feeling. मतलब उस चीज से अच्छी चीज कोई हो ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि आप अपने सपने को सामने देख रहे होते हो जो आपने किया है, you know. जब मैंने मणिकर्णिका का मैं फर्स्ट टाइम अपने आप को देखा, कि लोगों ने मुझे बोला बहुत कम रोल था, ये था, I didn't give a shit, I don't care. When I looked at myself, I was just, मैं कौन से 9th 10th 11th क्लब पे थी. I was so happy to see myself.
I think we met at one of a friend's house, and this I'm sharing with all the viewers here. ये अपने हमारे common friend के घर पे बैठे थे, हम ऐसे ही relax feel कर रहे थे, एक दूसरे के साथ बैठ के chill मार रहे थे, and you know out of nowhere she just मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे balcony में लेकर गई, and she showed me some short films of film. I said, what is it? She said, it's my own song, Rashmi. मेरा खुद का गाना है, but please किसी को बोलना नहीं है, because ये promotion के लिए है. And I was like, are you serious? That was, I think, such a big day. But आप किसी को बोल,
क्योंकि रश्मि हम आज तक लोगों के गानों पे डांस करते आए यार, आज हम अपने गानों पे डांस करेंगे यार. It feels
yes,
good.
and there was nothing, but you know that was the only moment which हम लोग वो enjoy करे, इसके लिए we started farting suddenly.
Yes.
So yes, all the baby stuff which we did was
But it feels great. It feels
पागलपन
great.
किया है तुम्हारे साथ तो मैंने.
मतलब I think
unplanned. And lot of people, I must say that about Ankita, that I don't know, but I just felt like sharing you to कि हमारी इतनी thick friendship रहते हैं. 31st की night की I think, and हम लोग बाहर जाने का plan कर रहे थे, तो at that time I was going through very difficult time, and she knew it. तो मैंने बोला मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ, तू जा. And I was disconnecting myself from each and every person, because I like to keep my personal space very personal, and professional has to be different. Only few people who are very connected to me, so they knew it. मैडम ने क्या किया, मेरे गाड़ी के नीचे गाड़ी लेकर आई, 1 घंटा वेट किया, she did my makeup, she did everything, she did my makeup,
I remember that.
मेरे matching जूते and everything, she packed herself and she said, okay आंटी bye, हम जा रहे हैं, 4 दिन बाद आएंगे. And I'm like, Ankita. But I think
yes, I remember. We went to Pune. We went to Pune for New Year's.
Yes,
oh,
I
God.
remember.
It was amazing.
It was such a crazy night. Oh my God.
बहुत मस्ती की यार. I think अगर हम पीछे
बहुत
जाए
fun.
रश्मि, you remember at this balcony जब भी पार्टीज होती थी बाहर में, you and घर में, और you and me used to sit and talk. I remember कि मैं बस बातें करते रहते थे, मुझे पता नहीं क्या बातें करते थे, but we used to talk and talk and talk. But we
Yeah.
together and it feels good. पता है एक दूसरे को देख के अच्छा लगता है रश्मि. पता है दोनों एक ऐसी फ्रेंडशिप होनी खुश. And I think with you I always have this, मैं तुझे जो चाहे वो बोल सकती हूँ. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, I can tell you. मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है, I can tell you. I can be open, I can be friendly, I don't have to hide anything from you, Rashmi. So that's the beauty of our friendship, you know. And I think you're not somebody that you can go to people and talk about it. But with me, I'm bang on very sure that you share everything with me. And I'm grateful to God that you're in my life. And I'm grateful to God that I'm in your life, for sure.
Thank you. I think, yes, I have already said it. But last but not the least, I know that I have already told you guys that she has a hidden talent which only her close one knows. And right now, I'm going to do that with her. And we're going to wrap up this episode. So, Ankita, हम अंताक्षरी खेलेंगे. मैं कुछ गाने गाऊंगी. Okay, let's keep it simple. मैं कुछ गाने गाऊंगी and you are going to translate it in Marathi.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, check.
Okay, I know. You're trying, I know it. You will do it.
I will try. I know Marathi, but I don't know which song you're singing.
Okay, let's try. বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল
मैं लंबो लंबो
अच्छा एक
लंबो
और दूसरा गाना
what is it हाँ दूसरी लंबो लंबो
Okay, दूसरा गाना, okay?
लंबो लंबो लंबी हाँ दूसरा
मराठी में गाना है. You have to sing in your language which you love the most.
yeah I know. Okay, sing I know हाँ बोल.
Okay, दूसरा गाना. ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ए चल मराठी में गा.
What is ढिंका चिका is a word. ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका ए ए ए ए ए ए ए आगे
Okay,
क्या
you
है?
give up on this? You
अच्छा,
give
एक
up on
गाना गा,
this,
चल
right?
मैं बताती हूँ. एक आंख मारू, सिंग, एक आंख मारू ऐसे. एक डोळा मारू तो मुलगा पटून जाय, दुसरा डोळा मारू तो तुझी आंख मारू कलेजा फाटून जाय, दोन्ही डोळे मारू तर मुलगी पटून जाय, मुलगी पटून जाय. This is what I can say. दोन्ही डोळे
Okay.
मारू
Okay,
तर
last.
मुलगी पटून जाय. हा.
Last.
What?
You have to give audition. Imagine,
Okay.
I know that you must have given your audition first time in television, first time for the film. And this is for the first time you're doing it live for your fans.
Okay.
And you're doing this audition for your fans. And you have to go very
Okay.
candid. About
Okay.
सिंदूर से लेके एक चुटकी सिंदूर से लेके you have to add कि मेरा पति भाग गया. And you have to
एक
end
चुटकी
it.
सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो चुन्नी बाबू, यही वाला ना.
वहां से लेके you have to make your own dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर से लेके
ओके ठीक है. ओके
इतना प्यार
ओके.
दिया मैंने तुम्हें और
हाँ,
तुमने
अच्छा.
मेरे प्यार की कदर करते हुए बाजू वाली के साथ तुम भाग गए. And you have to say this with lot of and like
Very good dialogue. Okay,
हाँ
I'm
ऐसे
ready.
दिल में मत ऐसे कुछ भर के and you have to make cry यार. हम लोग को रुलाना है कि देख के रोना आ जाए.
Shut up यार. I'm here to people make laugh, not cry, Rashu.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm
ready.
serious. Should I say action? Okay.
Ready,
एक
ready.
सेकंड
Okay,
ना
ready.
यार एक्शन नहीं बोला यार मैंने यार. एक्शन नहीं बोला. Okay, 1, 2,
हाँ चल ready
3.
ना action बोलो. Okay,
Action.
action. एक चुटकी सिंदूर. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो चुन्नी बाबू. तूने क्या किया मेरे साथ, बता क्या किया. मैंने तुझे इतना प्यार दिया, तूने मुझे क्या, तूने मुझे सिर्फ धोखा दिया, भाग गया पड़ोसन के साथ. तुझे शर्म नहीं आई, कमीने कल मुंह है, जा ले जा मेरा ये एक चुटकी सिंदूर. कैसा रखा आपको मेरा ऑडिशन, बताया.
Very nice, Anku. I love you.
Thank you, Rashu.
Thank you so much for coming on my show, and I was really excited for today's episode. I know that मैंने इतने सारे question लिखे थे, but with the end of the day, I know it's going to be very candid. You can't question your friends, and we really had some good topic to talk.
Thank you so
but
much,
I really want to
Rashmi.
ask you one more thing. You know, quarantine में अब अपना time कैसे बिताते हो? Because you know, lot of people, बहुत सबके पास सारी सुविधाएं नहीं होती. तो आप खाना कितना बनाओगे, फैमिली के साथ बात कितना करोगे, तो आप अपना अकेलापन भी कैसे निकालोगे. आप इतनी डिफिकल्ट और पिछले 2 दिन से ऋषि जी और इरफान जी
जो कर रही हूँ अपना
फॉरेन हमारी या
तो
What do you
what
do?
I'm doing is, Rashmi, as I told you, हम रोज ही बात कर रहे हैं अभी फोन पर, और I keep telling you that I sleep early, I get up early in the morning, I do meditation, I do a lot of I'm doing mandala. It's a different kind of coloring where you put your focus and everything, and I'm trying that thing also in my life. So these things are, I never, you know me, I'm a very, मतलब मैं बहुत late उठने वाली लड़की रही हूँ हमेशा से, but I'm getting up early 5 in the morning, doing meditation, which makes me feel good about myself, that I'm doing something different from what I used to do all the time, because this is a time where you can utilize it properly for yourself. You can go make yourself very positive about everything. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm keeping myself very motivated throughout the day, and I play housey like time period जब हम अपने पूरी family हम लोग now to give time to your family also, Rashmi. Very, very important. I know you're staying with mama, and my mom dad are not here. They're in Indore. So like our whole family plays housey at one time, at 9:30 to 10:30. We give time to each other because they're also sitting at home.
Cousins.
Yes, I have my amazing cousins, Ashu, Aditya, Arpan, they all are with me. And my Scotch, my Hachi, and everybody's here. But I miss you.
Yes.
I miss you coming home. And I hope that I see you soon.
You know I can't come during
That's
this
it.
pandemic, but अगर allowance हुआ तो definitely I'm going to come. I think रात को ही आऊंगी.
आजा. मिलने मेरी जानो. I miss you, yaar.
Thank you so
Literally
much,
missing
Ankita. I
you.
really had fun. And please tell something
Thank you
about
so
our
much.
Rakshita
Thank you. I
fans.
want to say something.
You know what is
Thank you to all
Rakshita,
the
right?
Rashmi fans, my fans. What? What?
You know about Rakshita, right?
Were you saying
What is
something?
Rakshita?
Yes, yes, Rakshita.
Rakshita.
That's what I was about to say. I want to say Rakshita. It's Rush. No, what is it?
Rush and Ankita
Rakshita.
ka Rakshita. Rashmi
RK.
ka Rush. Ankita ka Kita. Rakshita.
Oh, Rashkita. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And जितने भी तेरे fans हैं, you know, they really love us, Rashmi. And I'm very grateful. My all, जितने मेरे fans हैं, वो तुझे प्यार करते हैं. इससे अच्छी कोई चीज नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि हम दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. So thank you, everyone, for making it possible. And thank you, Rashmi, for having me. You're wonderful. And I want to meet you jaldi और hug you jaldi. Jaldi से आजा.
I will. I love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. Bye, everyone. Ta-da. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, baby. So I think today's episode was really, really superb, I would say. Why? Because मेरी दोस्त मेरे साथ थी. I actually had a lot of question to ask, a lot of things I had written. इतने लंबा list लेके जो बैठी थी, but yet I tried my level best. जो भी important questions थे, वो मैंने उनसे पूछा, और जो मैंने नहीं पूछे, वो उन्होंने अपने experience को लेके सब कुछ बता दिया. And I just want to say that definitely her struggle and the smile on her face, you know, दोनों चीजों का अगर combination बना के अगर मैं बात करूँ तो बनती है अंकिता. Yes, I know her very, very personally, and she is the one whom I'm very, very close to, and she knows me in and out. I'm sure आप लोग को सबको पता चल ही गया होगा. But I'm really happy to have a friend like her, and must say that कि सब कुछ खो दो, लेकिन अगर मेरे दोस्त यार मेरे पास होंगे ना, तो मुझे ये पता है कि मैं दुनिया जीत लूंगी. एंड इतना तो बहुत अंधा भरोसा है that चाहे कुछ कमाऊं ना कमाऊं, लेकिन गिरकर वापस उठने की हिम्मत भी इसलिए रखती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे जो लोग हैं, मेरे अपने हैं, वो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहते हैं और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट she came on the show when